Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox WASD keys not working. Alright, let's begin. First, open any Roblox game. Once the game loads, press the escape key to bring up the menu. Go to Settings, and under Movement Mode, make sure it's set to Keyboard. This setting ensures that your movement controls are assigned correctly. After that, click Resume and test your movement. Your WASD keys should now work. If the issue persists, open your computer's settings by using the search bar. Once inside, go to Accessibility. Scroll down and click on Keyboard Settings. Here, turn off the following options: sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys. All of these should be disabled to avoid interference with normal key functions. Sticky keys and filter keys especially can cause problems with holding down keys or rapid key presses, which are essential in games like Roblox. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox WASD keys not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.